Hey guys, Danny36 here and welcome to another video tutorial for ZeldaWiki.org. The topic for this tutorial is uploading and adding images to the wiki. To upload an image, simply go to the toolbox section on the sidebar to the left and click on Upload File. From this screen, click on Browse or Choose to search your computer's files until you find the image you want to upload, and then select it. It is recommended to write a small summary accurately describing the file on the box provided, and also to credit the website from which you got the image, if that is the case. Now, for the licensing, you'll more than likely almost always end up using the copyright template, since all of the video games described at ZeldaWiki.org are copyrighted either to Nintendo or another video games producer. Therefore, most of the images used here are copyrighted. Common examples of such content include screenshots, sprites, renders, official artwork, game cover art, and game logos. If the image was taken off a Wikimedia site such as Wikipedia, then select this option. If the image was scanned, taken, as in a screenshot, or heavily edited by you, then select this option. Once this is all done, go ahead and click Upload File. Now to the fun part, adding them to articles. Find out where on the page you want to add the image and type the following, with this being the file's name and proper file extension. But this doesn't look too good on its own, so let's add some image coding to manipulate the image size as well as its placement. Now let's explain what this all means. This is our image name, replacing this part with whatever the file name is along with its proper file extension. The word right moves the image to the right side of the page. Left could have also been used here. The word thumb adds the frame around the image you see quite often. Notice that this could be replaced with the word frameless to achieve the same auto-resize effect without the frame being displayed. 200px resizes the image to 200 pixels. You may choose whatever number you deem necessary within reason for your placement of the image, but just remember to add the letters px after the number. And this part right here is an example of words that might be displayed below an image, but this only works if the word thumb is added. Otherwise, the text is displayed as alternative text when you lay your mouse over the image. It is important to note that the order of this image coding is not important, just as long as each instruction is separated by a vertical line. Of course, there are some rules as to how an image should be displayed on the wiki. Images with transparent backgrounds should never be placed inside a frame. If a caption is required, the image caption template should be used. Images with non-transparent backgrounds, generally JPEGs, should always have a frame. It is also not permitted to have a frame and no caption, so if there is a frame, a caption must be used. If the file that you want to upload is simply an improvement of an already existing image, you must first locate the file on the wiki and, having done so, click on Upload a new version of this file. Again, look for the image in your computer's files, enter a small but concise summary, and choose the appropriate image template. Now, sometimes the image won't update immediately, and the previous version of the image will be displayed instead. In such case, please be patient and wait for the database to catch up and update the image. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, although by simply refreshing the page, you will immediately see the changes.